Away they go. Antoine Dugo fast to begin, rising up Shanana. Endorser down on the inside, rising up Sugar Glaze. Number 2, Perfectionist, Yellow Stain. Dear John, second last, and Seeing Lord Key is running at the tail of the field. Antoine Dugo. Endorser is on the outside. Perfectionist is down on the inside, and on the outside for Shanana. Dear John racing 5th by Drought Sugar Glaze, racing 6 by a length and a half, and Yellow Stain, Seeing Lord Key. Rounding the far turn, Antoine Dugo by 3/4 of a length. Endorser is racing from the outside and moving up by the release. Dear John on the outside. Perfectionist, Yanana also rushing up Sugar Glaze as they race the last 450. Antoine Dugo by head. Endorser, Dear John down on the inside. Shanana is racing from the outside. Entering the last 150 meters more to run. Antoine Dugo by a length and a half. Endorser. Shanana is on the outside. Dear John, Sugar Glaze entering the finish line. Antoine Dugo this time by 5. And finally, Antoine Dugo second. Close. Endorser, Shanana, Sugar Glazing, Lord Key, Dear John, Perfectionist, and Yellow Stain comes last.
Okay, top.